My name is Revathi, Assistant Professor in Information Technology from SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Here I am going to discuss about some effective teaching approaches are followed by our SNS institutions. Teaching methods are the broader techniques used to help students achieve learning outcomes, while activities are the different ways of implementing these methods. Teaching methods help students master the content of the course, learn how to apply the content in particular context. Some of the teaching methods in SNS institutions are teaching centered method, student centered method, content focused method, and participative method. We in our SNS institution strongly believe that a teacher is the role of being a master of subject matter. The teacher is looked upon by the learners as an expert and an authority. The teacher centered approach takes place inside the classroom and encourages the student to focus completely on the educator. Therefore, inside a teacher centered classroom, the educator does almost all the talking while students continue to listen and remain silent. Example of this method is lecture method. Our SNS institutions allows students to actively participate in their learning. In a student centered classroom, the focus of activity is the student. This means that learners are encouraged to participate in a series of tasks including speaking, listening, writing, and collaboration with other students. Example of these methods are coaching, internships, and project-based learning, etc. Content-based instruction focuses on content rather than language. However, the goal is language instruction. Simply stated, the language becomes a tool for learning new things instead of the topic. Example of this method is seminar, presentation, etc. Interactive teaching methods involve two-way communication, whether it is between student teachers or student with the students. Our SNS institutions, students are constantly encouraged to be active participants. Example of interactive methods are group work, role play, and QA sessions. Learning should not be a process of memorization and recall. It should be a process of exploring and discovery.